Hey Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. As you guys see by the title, in today's video I'm going to do another wash day routine with using products from Krown Dolls. And I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair from using products from Krown Dolls as well. And if you saw in my latest two videos, I actually did a Krown Dolls unboxing. I actually did two unboxings, and then I did my one Krown Dolls wash day routine. So I'm going to leave those videos up in the cards and in my description box down below if you guys want to know more information on the products, like what ingredients are in the products, like my thoughts on the products that I have used so far. And if you guys did see my unboxing, I had like 4 products that I showed you guys. I'm going to be using 3 of those products today. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be using the Hydrating Peppermint Shampoo. I'm going to be using the Krown Dolls Buttermint Deep Conditioner with Avocado Oil. This is what it looks like. And this is the front of it. And then I'm going to be using the Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. And then for my style, I'm going to be using the Krown Dolls Honey Hemp Cream Hair Moisturizer. And to style my hair, I'm going to spray my hair with the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to use the hair moisturizing cream. But before we get into this video, I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen so you guys can follow me if you aren't following me already. And all my social media accounts will be in my description box down below for you guys to keep up with me. So with that being said, I'm going to stop talking now and let's get into the video. Before I actually shampooed my hair yesterday, I did a pre-poo, and I used the African Pride pre-shampoo, and I'm going to have that video in my description box down below, and I'm also going to have that video up in the cards if you guys would like to see how I pre-pooed my hair before I shampooed it this morning. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I apply the shampoo one more time, and then I'm going to do the top 2 sections off camera. And then I'm going to come back and tell you guys how my hair is feeling after rinsing out the shampoo. I start sometimes at my ends, but I do want to make sure that my scalp is nice and clean. So I'm going to start at my root. Yeah, I really like this shampoo because it smells like peppermint, and it's like a really nice feeling on your scalp. And as you guys see, I applied just enough of the shampoo just so that it can go on my scalp, and then I'm bringing it all the way down to my ends just so that all this back section can get nice and clean. And I usually like to shampoo my hair in sections, so I'm just going to separate this back section into 2. Then I'm going to twist it up, and then I'm going to do the top 2 sections, and then I'm going to be back when I'm done rinsing it out. And as you guys can see as well, this shampoo lathers very easily. And I'm just going to add a little bit more on my fingertips just so that I can make sure I'm getting my scalp as clean as I want it to be. Alright you guys, so I'm back from rinsing out the shampoo, and my hair feels nice and soft. And when I did detangle my hair after I rinsed my hair out, my hair didn't really shed that much. I actually lost this much hair when I just finished detangling it. So I mean, this isn't terrible considering I just detangled all of my hair. Since I already have all my hair into 6 sections, I'm going to start by applying the deep conditioner. And like I said before, I'm going to be using the Buttermint Deep Conditioner with Avocado Oil. Once I'm finished with applying all the deep conditioner, I'm going to use my plastic cap and I'm going to use my thermal hot head so that the deep conditioner can penetrate all into my hair. Alright you guys, so this is what the deep conditioner is looking like so far onto my hands. And it's kind of hard to describe the smell, but I can like smell the avocado oil. And I like how this deep conditioner is it's thick, but it's like creamy at the same time. So it's not like overly thick and it's not like too runny either. And I'm going to try to focus this deep conditioner on my ends, just so that my ends get nice and moisturized since our ends are the oldest part of our hair. And I'm just going to use my wide tooth comb. Alright you guys, so this deep conditioner is not really the type of deep conditioner for me where I can finger detangle without like my hair snagging. So once I do apply the deep conditioner to my hair, I'm just going to start with immediately going into using my wide tooth comb. Alright you guys, so I'm finished with applying all of the deep conditioner on my hair. And now I'm just going to put my plastic cap on my hair. And then I'm going to use my thermal hot head cap just so that I can get a really nice deep condition session. And y'all, this feels so good on my hair. Like it's nice and warm, and then it's flax seeds that are infused in the cap, so that makes the deep conditioner penetrate even more on my hair. And I finished about more than half of this product, so I'm going to try to make it last one more use. If not, I might have to use another deep conditioner along with this one. But I'm going to let this sit for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll come back when I'm done rinsing my hair out. Alright guys, so I'm back from rinsing out the deep conditioner, and my hair does feel nice and soft, but it doesn't actually feel as soft as it did in my last video when I used the deep conditioner. So I don't know if like it's because of the pre-shampoo that I used yesterday that's making my hair not feel as moisturized, because I didn't use the pre-poo last week. I actually used the leave-in conditioner spray from Krown Dolls, and that product made my hair soft once I finished detangling. It doesn't feel dry, but it doesn't feel as moisturized as it did last week. So I'm going to start styling now. I'm going to start off with spraying my hair with water. And before I do like apply any product, I like to make sure that my hair is completely saturated. And once I'm done spraying my hair with water, I'm going to start with spraying my hair with the hydrating leave-in conditioner. And now I'm going to use the Honey Hemp Cream Hair Moisturizer. This product actually smells good. It kind of almost smells like cupcakes. So I'm using just like, not too much, but at least enough to get my hair nice and moisturized. And after I apply the Honey Hemp Cream, I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser just to get my tangles out in so that my hair can be nice and smooth before I twist it. And I'm actually going to make these twists kind of like jumbo size. And I'm actually going to do a different technique for this twist out. I'm going to braid at the root just so that my hair isn't too poofy. And then I'm going to twist my hair the rest of the way. And like I said again, I'm doing a jumbo twist out. So I'm starting with a braid at my root. And then I'm going to twist the rest of the way down. And once I get to my ends, I'm just going to roll my fingers around my hair so I can have a nice curl at the end. Alright y'all, so I think this one might be kind of too big, so I'm going to actually go back and make the twist a little bit smaller in the back. Alright you guys, so I am finally done with twisting my hair. And I'm going to add some oil that I mixed together onto my hair just so that I can make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized, because my hair was like kind of dry a little bit before I started. And I just want to ensure that it's nice and moisturized, especially since it is colder outside. And that actually wraps up the video, Faith Gang. I wanted to show you guys my wash day routine with using products from Krown Dolls, and I also wanted to show you guys how I style my hair. And I do have another review on the shampoo, the conditioner, and the mint deep conditioner from Krown Dolls. I'm going to have that up in the cards. And I would recommend these products. I am going to review the products again without using the African Pride, just to see if my hair is as moisturized as it was before without using the African Pride pre-shampoo. So with that being said, Faith Gang, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang. And click the post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. So with that being said, Faith Gang, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in our next video.